she's okay now.
पर खाना नहीं खाती.
She's mourning. She couldn't entice someone.
बंद कर दो. म्यूट
नहीं
कर
नहीं
दो.
नहीं नहीं कोई नहीं.
ठीक है. आ गया नीरज जी.
ये कौन है?
नीरज अपने है ना मेंबर.
मोहन के में शीला में तो खाना वाला था वो.
हाँ हाँ
I talked to
हाँ
her.
हाँ.
No, okay. Sorry, Amita, members are just joining in.
No,
So I
it's
think-
perfectly fine. In
16
fact,
hours,
we can
16
wait.
No, what is
Not
the
an
time?
issue at all.
It's,
The time is
4 o'clock.
1 minute past 4.
Okay, so we better. It's 4:15, no? 4 o'clock.
4.
No, 1 minute past 4.
Oh, okay. Hi, Sushmita. You're on
Smita,
mute, I think.
She's on mute.
You sown your summer vegetable seeds?
No,
You're
I just took
asking
them
her?
out yesterday and I didn't have time. So now I'm going to start sowing.
Okay.
I know इस time खीरा, ककड़ी, these are the best thing to sow basically. एक में भी काम चल जाएगा.
अच्छा.
नहीं, एक कभी नहीं सो करना चाहिए.
नहीं एक ककड़ी उतरती है तो I mean that way. Because पालक होता है तो you need a little more space. खीरा ककड़ी में अगर एक ककड़ी निकल गई तो your day is done. कि एक दिन का सलाद बन जाएगा. That way.
Right.
The pollination तो ककड़ी होगा.
हाँ नहीं मतलब उतरने की बात करूँ लगाने में तो 5-6 तो लगाने चाहिए एटलीस्ट. और खीरा भी एंड लौकी वगैरह भी सब. तोरी, लौकी, टिंडा, कद्दू सब अब लगेगा. जुकुनी सब लगानी है.
अनीता कितने आ गए और चीकू टोटल कम दिख रहा है.
ये यहाँ पे दिखे ये.
अच्छा
18.
18 papers have joined.
अमिता आई थिंक यू कैन स्टार्ट. आप कुछ या तो इंट्रोडक्शन वगैरह कुछ करा दो.
Yeah, sure.
है ना. हाँ. And we can.
Should we start?
हाँ थोड़ा बहुत तो स्टार्ट करते हैं तो.
As you say, I'm all ready. आप जब
No,
बोलोगे
I'm
मैं
asking the other members. Should I start or should I give another
Sure.
couple of minutes? Because we told members to join, before 4 o'clock, say 10 to 4, but no one does that. So I think it's better that people who are already attending, we start the lecture, and whatever they miss, then it's their bad luck. I'd like to introduce you Amita Bhuvania,
Yes,
who's an expert on vegetables and grows everything on a terrace, including, she does her own composting, her own seed collection, and planting and enjoying her fruits after that. So welcome, Amita. We'd love to have you. We should have done it before, but never mind. It's always, the first time. And we're looking forward to your lecture.
Official good evening, Amita.
Can you hear?
That's good.
So, Amita, you can start if you want.
And
7B. She's been growing these things on a terrace.
I hope
Of course, yes. Now tell.
hello. Okay. So everyone wants me to talk in English or Hindi or mixed? If everyone
Mixed.
is comfortable, I am comfortable in both.
Mix is better.
Okay. ठीक है.
Whatever you find comfort.
Everybody mute yourself.
And the others can all mute themselves, and we'll have a question answer in the end of the session.
वैसे Urmila as host, you can also mute them, but I think everyone is on mute. So
I know. हाँ,
no
everyone.
issue on that. Okay. So जैसे नंदिता जी ने बताया, I have been growing vegetables on my rooftop. It's been 8 years now. I started with home composting. I wanted to do a lot more much earlier, but वो कहते हैं ना जब time आता है तभी होता है. तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस सारा था जमीन में उगाने का. I belong to Chandigarh. So there we used to always have a front lawn, a back lawn, and in the back lawn we used to always have a small kitchen garden. We were used to growing vegetables and having fruit trees in our gardens. This is what I used to miss in Delhi. जब दिल्ली में शिफ्ट हुई शादी के बाद, तो यहाँ सब खाली रूफटॉप था, ग्राउंड स्पेस बिल्कुल नहीं थी. So gradually I started growing my garden, my potted garden. It's an old house, so I didn't want to make it into a lawn or beds or anything for सीपेज नहीं आ जाए. तो शुरुआत में से की, ग्रेजुअली बढ़ाती गई. हालांकि दिल्ली की गर्मी में बहुत मुश्किल था उनको सस्टेन करना, करना. And actually then I realized that I need into vegetables. कि कुछ तो जो pesticide free हो, organic हो. So then at one of the kitchen garden meetings only, somebody was giving a lecture. मैंने उनसे पूछा कि कुछ सब्जियों का mention हुआ, तो मैंने कहा I want to get into growing vegetables. So she says, I can guide you to someone, you can speak to her. And सबको याद होगा प्रभा जी की छत पे भी सब्जियां उगती थी, तो मैंने उनका टेरेस भी देखा. फिर my resolve only became stronger to start growing, and eventually I got into it. But it was a failure, it was a disaster. कोई सब्जी नहीं हुई, and I was so disappointed. Maybe I started in the wrong season. So now here I'll start is the right time actually is to start in winter if somebody is starting for the first time. But since summer is around, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि गर्मी में सब्जी नहीं होती, खाली थोड़ी सी आपको केयर और जगह देखनी पड़ेगी. So 5 things that I always say before you start growing vegetables is sunlight, water, soil, type of container, and manuring. So sunlight, जितनी भी sunlight है समर में उतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि सनलाइट डायरेक्ट नहीं भी आए तो इनडायरेक्ट सनलाइट में आपकी लीफी ग्रीन्स तो जरूर हो जाएंगी, कुछ ना कुछ सब्जी जरूर हो जाएगी, क्योंकि बहुत कड़ी धूप नहीं चाहिए. 2 to 3 hours of sunlight at any time of the day in summers is good enough. Winters, yes, you need bright sun and mostly full sun for vegetables to thrive. So that is sunlight. Watering, yes, you have to do regular watering. हम लोग अक्सर अपना प्यार watering के रूप में दिखाते हैं, तो we tend to overwater the plants. But even in summer, you can't overwater the plants because vegetable roots are very thin, fibrous roots होते हैं, तो वो जल्दी गल जाते हैं. And thirdly is the soil mix. I use a very simple soil mix. कोई complicated soil mix नहीं होता. मेरा equal part होता है garden soil, coco peat and compost. Compost can be anything, your home compost, vermicompost या अच्छी matured गोबर की खाद. तीनों को equal quantities. Then third is the pot filling and the type of choice of container. सब्जियों के लिए I prefer rectangular plastic pots. Now you'll say, why plastic? Most environment conscious people or gardening people are not too much in favor of plastic pots. There are 2 reasons for it. One, plastic is light. You can do it yourself. You don't have to be dependent on the mali. क्योंकि माली के भरोसे अगर आप करेंगे तो आपका आधा काम नहीं होगा. You have to be the head mali. You have to be hands on. मालियों के एक बहुत बड़ा mental block होता है कि सब्जियां गमलों में नहीं होती. Even after 8 years, my Mali has a mental block. Despite the fact he's seen me harvest almost 40 to 50 kg of vegetable every season. So plastic pots are light, they don't add too much of weight. Handling them is easy, moving them around is easy. And they give, the best part is they give you more surface area and lesser depth. Earthen pots या terracotta pots are very heavy to lift. Plus उनमें depth ज़्यादा होती है, उतनी depth आपको शायद नहीं चाहिए हर सब्जी के लिए. आपको खाली width चाहिए, surface area चाहिए, spread करने के लिए. So that is an important part about the containers. But you can take your pick. You can have bamboo planters, you can have cane baskets, whatever you wish to. Sabzi, then you have to select what kind of plants you have to do. But I'll come to that later, selection of plants, because that's a big topic in itself. So we've covered sunlight, we've covered water, we've covered soil. Important part is location. So summer location does not matter. बहुत से लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं हमारे पास तो जगह ही नहीं है, हमारे पास तो कोई स्पेस ही नहीं है. So you can grow in your balconies, you can grow in your staircase, you can find the windowsill. Small herbs can be grown in small pots on your dining table in any nook and corner. So once you start growing, you will realize you have so much of space. So vegetables or herbs or leafy things can be grown anywhere. You have to look for those spaces. आपको ढूंढनी पड़ेगी और आपको मिल भी जाएगी. And then last is manuring. Vegetables require manuring a little more frequently than ornamental plants for them to give you a good produce. जमीन में सब्जियां ताकत अपने आप खींच लेती हैं तो उतनी manuring की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, but pot में या कंटेनर में वो limited space में roots फैलती हैं तो उनको nourishment time to time चाहिए होता है. Now coming to what to sow. So summer can be a little challenging. तो summer में जो आप sow कर सकते हैं इसमें you have to divide the plants into few categories. One is the leafy ones, one is the clam. So I'll start with height wise, size wise. One is the small height. Small height में अपना हमारा आ गया चप्पन टिंडा या टिंडा, दो different चीजें हैं. And zucchini. Zucchini का टाइम अभी है. जितनी भी सब्जियां मैं बता रही हूँ मोस्टली का टाइम अभी है. आप अभी से लेके मार्च एंड तक सो कर सकते हैं. Zucchini you can sow now because it's already got very warm and zucchini gives good results. Medium height में बैंगन, brinjals, capsicum, chilies, cowpea beans या लोबिया, guarfali, tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes you can still sow. Tomato is one crop which you can sow almost all the year round except May, June. So you can hedge your growing in such a way कि आपके पास almost 8-10 महीने तक regular supply आ सकती है. And you have the yard long beans, another offshoot of cowpea beans, another type of cowpea beans. Cowpea beans थोड़ी छोटी होती हैं, yard long beans थोड़ी लंबी होती हैं, दोनों ही लोबिया की variety. Then you have the tall height, baby corn, bhindi, corn. If you have space, I will also come to companion planting, how you can maximize space. Then you have the leafy greens. Contrary to popular belief, most people tell me that गर्मियों में तो कोई पत्ते की सब्जी होती नहीं है, सर्दियों में सारी होती है. But you'll be surprised, we have so many varieties of leafy vegetables in summer. We have green chalai, we have lal chalai, we have Malabar spinach ya poi, we have palak. Palak, yes, you can grow in summer also. I grow it. Then we have purslane या कुल्फा, नोनी साग भी उसको बोलते हैं. ये wild भी उगता है, उसको भी आप use कर सकते हैं. We call them nourishing greens instead of weeds. Then you have red chalai and then we have water spinach या kalmi. So we have more than 6-7 varieties. You can also go grow soya saag. अगर बहुत तेज धूप नहीं है तो सोया या दिल साग भी आराम से उग जाता है. Then we have the root vegetables, but root vegetables थोड़ा सा late sow होती हैं, not right now. So we have amba haldi, we have arbi, we have haldi or turmeric, and the orange carrot. Then shakarkandi. Shakarkandi is sown in monsoon, but since monsoon is also close to summer, we count it as a summer one. Harvest winter में होती है. Then we have climbers which are innumerable. We have kachra या kachri, kakdi, खीरा, कुंदरू परवल. कुंदरू परवल बहुत अच्छे से यहाँ नहीं होता है. It has to be grown from a cutting. So, but I just mentioned it for knowledge sake. If somebody can get the hands onto cuttings or saplings, very good. So far, I have not been able to. So please share your number with me. I'll be happy to take. And then, of course, our famous Karela. And then we have, these are all the medium climbers. Then we have the big climbers. Ghia, tori, तोरी की जैसी एक और जो चुचिंदा आता है. तोरी में भी 2-3 वैरायटी है. एक रिज गार्ड, स्पंज गार्ड, प्लेन वाली तोरी, लाइन वाली तोरी. फिर और भी बड़े क्रीपर्स में आ जाता है हमारा पेठा, the argards, the ash guard, the green petha with the whitish sort of covering on top. Then we have the kharbuja, muskmelon. Then we have the pumpkin, the petha, and the watermelon. And the herbs. We cannot miss out any herbs. We can have some herbs which can grow all the year round. Mint, pudina. It's a great cooler and it survives all the year long. Winter में थोड़ा वाटरिंग कम करनी पड़ती है और थोड़ा धूप में रखना पड़ता है. सर्वाइव कर जाता है बट थोड़ी सी मुश्किल होती है. एंड समर इट थ्राइव्स वेरी वेल. एंड देन पेपरमिंट, तुलसी सबके होती ही है घरों में. अजवाइन पत्ता. अजवाइन is actually a misnomer, but we still call it ajwain because it's known by the name of ajwain. It does not give you the seed, but the leaves are used. Then we have the basil, the lemongrass. So this is quite an exhaustive list. This is a list of almost 40 kind of plants that you can grow in the summer. Now sowing, most of these summer plants need to be sown directly. मतलब बीज आपको directly डालना पड़ेगा. Sapling नहीं डाल सकते लेकिन थोड़ी केयर ज्यादा चाहिए होती है. समर की सब्जियां ट्रांसप्लांट शॉक ज्यादा नहीं टॉलरेट करती हैं. So if you transplant them early and if you don't give them too much of a different environment, for example, sapling तो आपने बिल्कुल छाया में तैयार करी और उसको transplant करके बिल्कुल धूप में रख दिया, it will not survive. So you have to make sure that the microclimate or the surrounding is pretty much the same when you sowed the seed, because this is a challenge most of us face. अभी तक सर्दियों की सब्जियां निकली नहीं है, गमले खाली नहीं हुए हैं, तो आप समर की कैसे डालेंगे? So best is, या फिर you use another alternative called a gobar pot. There are pots which are available which are made of gobar. They're very reasonably priced. I think 10 rupees or 20 rupees. Few people make them. एक बीजोम करके है नोएडा में, वो बनाते हैं. Edible Roots करके एक organization है जो gardening में बहुत है, वो भी है. It disintegrates into your soil and the roots also spread. So that is one good option that you can have. Now, how do you sow, or what type of seed do you sow? It's preferred to sow the seed for a while and maybe a past 3 तक उसको फिर सो करेंगे तो आपका जर्मिनेशन बेटर होगा. जनरली डॉक्टर पंत ने और बहुत सारे लोगों ने बताया है, बहुत तरीके हैं सो करने के, बहुत चीजें हैं उनमें, काउ यूरिन में सोक करना है, वो करना. बट फ्रैंकली, ओके, वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर. Parul, is it better now? If you can just give me a thumbs up.
Yeah, it's better.
So, okay, thank you. So, soak करना इतना time होता नहीं है अक्सर, and we generally forget, and then we tend to put it off. So I soak them in normal water, tap water. If you can manage to soak in, say, cow urine or any other thing, or bioenzyme dilute करके, great. But if you can't, don't fret over it. And according to the size of the seed, you have to choose the pot accordingly. कि आपका plant का size कितना बड़ा होगा. अगर medium creeper है, तो आपका 10 इंच के गमले में भी हो जाएगा. But if you have a tall creeper, then you need at least a 12-inch pot. And what you are going to grow is also according to the size of the family. For example, one bhindi plant will not give you more than 3-4 bhindis at a time. So you have to collect those bhindis and then be able to make a sabzi, maybe once a week. तो आपको 10 से 15 plants कम से कम चाहिए होंगे. Similarly, अगर आप करेला लगाते हैं, 4 करेले की बेल आपको हर हफ्ते sufficient दे देगी for a family of 4 to 6. Similarly, Khira, you don't need too many, you just need 2 or 3 bales, which is good enough to give you a regular supply of Khira. So you have to arrive at what you're going to grow according to your family size and according to the size of the plant. In this, it is very important, जो climbers हैं, उसके लिए आप trellis या कोई ना कोई vertical support create करें. सूतली का या एक net आती है, which is a wide net, which is called a climbers net also. उसमें बड़े बड़े खन बने रहते हैं, तो वो climbers आपके बहुत आराम से उस पे climb कर जाते हैं, तो आपको trellis बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, which is readily available in the market also, and it's very cheap. So these kind of props always help you. And sowing the seed, again, I think most of us know how to sow the seeds. It's according to the size of the seed. We sow it accordingly below the surface of the soil. If it is a small seed, just about half an inch below the surface of soil. If it's a big seed, maybe 3/4 of an inch or 1 inch below the soil. And distance again will depend on how big the plant is. You're going to sow it 6 inches apart or 8 inches apart or 10 inches apart. कि आपके गमले का क्या साइज है, वो कितने अकोमोडेट कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 12 इंच का अगर कोई गमला है, उसमें आपको 2 बेल अगर लगानी है, तो आप सिर्फ 2 ही डाल सकते हैं, आप 3 या 4 नहीं डाल सकते हैं. बट इट्स ऑलवेज अ गुड आइडिया टू पुट मोर सीड्स एंड पुल देम आउट लेटर, बिकॉज मेरा ये एक्सपीरियंस है कि सीड्स जब आप ज्यादा डालते हैं तो जर्मिनेशन बेटर होता है. मे बी दे पुल ईच अदर एंड गिव ईच अदर कंपनी, लाइक वी से फ्रेंड्स और कंपेनियंस ब्रिंग आउट द बेस्ट. कंपटीशन हो जाता है सीड्स में कि नहीं, मैं फर्स्ट. So it's always good to put more seeds and then thin them out later rather than putting less seeds. क्योंकि अगर आपने 2 ही seeds डाली है सोच के कि 2 पौधे मेरे लिए बहुत है और दोनों में से सिर्फ एक सर्वाइव किया या एक भी सर्वाइव नहीं किया, then again you have to sow and you lose that time which it takes to germinate. So it's always a good idea to sow more. Soil mix, I think I've already explained. Now filling up the pots is very easy. I follow a very simple rule. Lower layer 1/2 inch or 1 inch with broken pot pieces or gravel or whatever. I top it with a layer of dry leaves. अभी पतझड़ का and fill your bag, keep the warm of grass, rock or a little neem khali. That is कि नीचे से कोई infection नहीं आए. या नीचे वाटर लॉगिंग भी अगर होती है तो
Amita?
फंगस डेवलप ना हो.
Amita,
Yes.
could you repeat from this portion from the beginning? Your voice again went off. The filling the pots. Thank you.
Okay, so I'll start with filling the pots. The lowest layer is broken pot pieces or gravel. It's about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. So I just put that layer. उसके बाद में सूखे पत्ते. अभी पतझड़ का मौसम शुरू हो गया है. So I collect dry leaves and keep them. जितने भी पत्ते मिल जाते हैं, I use them. So just a layer of dried leaves about 1 inch to 2 inches. I top it with a layer of kitchen waste. And over the kitchen waste, I just sprinkle some raak and some neem khali. The raak and neem khali prevent any infection or fungus from spreading in the lower part of the pot. And I just fill it up with the soil mix. So that is it. So it's a very simple thing. इसमें अगर कोई चीज आपके पास नहीं है, सबसे mandatory है broken pot pieces या gravel. Dry leaves is optional and kitchen waste is optional. And so is raak and neem khali. Only these things will enhance the root growth. They will enhance prevention since we are all growing organic. I have a few videos also on my YouTube channel. It's by my name. If you want to see about how I fill up my pots, I've explained in that also. So you can catch it there. Okay. So coming back to what vegetables we are sowing, there are two varieties I mentioned. One is the fruiting variety, one is the leafy variety. I've already explained according to height. Then again, we have these two categories. Now, whether you're going to take the fruit of the plant or you're going to take the leaf of the plant. This can also determine कि आप एक गमले में क्या लगाएंगे. जैसे आपने बेबी कॉर्न लगाया है, तो बेबी कॉर्न ग्रोज टॉलर, तो आप उसके साथ में एक कोई बेल लगा सकते हैं, तो बेल उसके तने पे चढ़ जाएगी. और ग्राउंड कवर देने के लिए आप लीफी वेजिटेबल लगाइए, तो वो उसको ग्राउंड कवर और नेचुरल मल्च भी दे देगी. सो इन वन पॉट यू कैन derive the maximum benefit. Since a corn goes tall, a vine needs space to climb on, so it's got that space. But one thing, just make sure that it is good companion planting. Voice is not clear. Okay. I hope.
नहीं, I think ये बीच बीच में सबकी चले जाते because of the net internet connection. So because of that, it's natural. हाँ.
So, okay. So this is about the plants. Now summer plants के साथ में एक बहुत important चीज है जो हम भूल जाते हैं और इसीलिए मेरे शुरू में बहुत disasters हुए. Summer के जो plants हैं, they require pollinators. Either you do hand pollination or you have lot of bees and butterflies. Now, how do you get the bees and butterflies? Plant lots of flowers with them, summer flowers. And we have an exhaustive list of summer flowers. ऐसा नहीं कि flowers सिर्फ winter में होते हैं. Summer में भी बहुत flowers होते हैं. सबसे बड़ा तो हमारा गेंदा है, sunflower है, celosia है. Anilji is saying not audible. Can you check your connection, please? Am I audible to the others? I hope I am.
Yes.
Okay, then maybe with his connection.
Yes.
So there is a list of summer flowers. I'll share that on the group as well. And a lot of summer flowers. So start your summer flower planting right now. So by the time your climbers, creepers, and plants are flowering, you have a horde of butterflies, bees coming into your garden. And if you can't plant flowers, if you don't have space for flowers, the best thing you can plant is basil. Basil flowers attract a lot of bees. So they will work as your pollinators. And the other thing is that the summer vines or the summer creepers, vegetable creepers खासकर, उसमें male or female flowers. That identification is very important. Just a little bit later when I finish this, I have some pictures which I will share with you how to identify what are female flowers and what are male flowers. So you can do the hand pollination yourself in the morning. Just use a brush. From the male flower, take the pollen and put it onto the female flower, or just pluck the flower and उसके ऊपर touch करके थोड़ा झाड़ दीजिए. But this has to be done in the morning क्योंकि जो भी सब्जियों के flowers हैं वो 8:30-9 बजे के बाद में बंद हो जाते हैं, सुबह ही खिलते हैं. So that care has to be taken. You have to pollinate them in the morning. So summer, if you have plenty of flowers, if you have Portulaca attracts lot of bees and butterflies. So that's the best way to get good results in summer. So then is care of plants. Watering I've already mentioned when the topsoil is dry. Now, once your seeds have germinated and they've attained a certain height, say about 2 to 3 inches, please mulch the soil. Mulching means covering the top layer with dried leaves. Best is dried leaves. Even if they keep उड़ जाते हैं हवा से, आंधी से, तो आप दोबारा डाल दीजिए. और भी चीजें आप यूज कर सकते हैं मल्चिंग के लिए. क्ले बॉल्स भी आती हैं, पेबल्स भी आते हैं, बट देन दे ओनली ऐड वेट एंड दे ब्लॉक द माइक्रोबियल एक्टिविटी अंडरनीथ. लीव्स इनकरेज माइक्रोबियल एक्टिविटी. यू विल नोटिस अगर आप मल्च करते हैं तो थोड़े टाइम बाद थोड़ा सा भी आप हटा के देखेंगे तो आपकी सॉइल का कलर भी चेंज हो जाता है, एंड योर सॉइल रिमेन्स क्रम्बली एंड लाइट. Another important factor for soil is that your soil should not be very compact. It should not be hard. It should be light and airy, because as I said, सब्जियों की जो रूट्स हैं वो बहुत फाइब्रस होती हैं, बहुत थिन होती हैं, तो उनको स्प्रेड करने की जगह चाहिए. अगर आपका सॉइल कॉम्पैक्ट होगा, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव अर्थवर्म्स इन द पॉट्स, तो वो रूट्स आपकी स्प्रेड नहीं करेंगी. एंड इफ द रूट्स डोंट स्प्रेड टू वेल, देन योर प्लांट विल नॉट रियली फ्लरिश. Second is watering. Best time is morning or evening, not the afternoon. That's absolutely the wrong time. If you can install a drip irrigation, that is very good, and it takes away most of the effort of watering, and it's very easy to do. You can order your kit from Amazon. I did mine from Amazon, and then I got somebody to just put it according to using my own brains, and it's not a rocket science. It's something very simple. But in case you can't set up drip irrigation, just make sure you're watering them regularly and the soil does not dry out completely, because if the soil dries out completely, the plants will suffer some trauma, और plants एक बार जरा droopy ज्यादा हो जाते हैं तो उनकी fruiting और हर चीज पे असर पड़ता है. So watering has to be regular in summer. Third is trellis. Support जरूर लगाइए, चाहे वो सरकंडे हो, चाहे वो metal support हो, चाहे वो सूतली का support हो. Metal support कम लगाना चाहिए because it gets heated up if your pots are in the full sun, so it might affect the stems adversely. So सूतली बहुत अच्छी है, सबसे अच्छी है, इको फ्रेंडली भी है, नरम डंडियों के लिए भी अच्छी है. So that is about the support and the trellis. Now there is one little tip which one of the members shared with me, which even I was not aware of. Bhindi, most people don't get too much of a good produce, so it is always good to pluck the tips. Similarly, for vines and creepers, it is good to cut them. Now 2G, 3G cutting, I usually don't do. I just snipe off when the trellis or the vine is a little stable. And when I see it can branch out from the sides, I just pluck the tip. And it starts spreading. So jitni branches आएंगी vine की या creeper की, उतना वो फैलेगा, उतना वो फैलेगा. Because all branches do not give out male and female flowers. Some branches will give out female flowers, some branches will give out male flowers. And one branch, you need both for pollination. That is another reason why you should do their slight pruning, not too much. Same is with bhindi, just pluck the tip, it will start branching out and you will have more bhindi on one plant. So that is about pruning. And for, as I've already said, trimming for vines for faster and wilder growth. So most of it I have done, shared from my side. Now last most important bit is nutrition. How do you nourish the soil? Because to have good fruit, मिट्टी में आप शुरू में जो खाद मिलाएंगे उसकी ताकत तो उसको काफी germination में काम में आ जाएगी, but you need to keep nourishing it. You need to keep nourishing the soil. So what I do is every 15 days to 20 days, I add something to the soil. Now what is that something? या तो एक हाथ, एक मुट्ठी भर के खाद डाल देती हूँ, या फिर आप कंपोस्टिंग करते हैं उसका जो लेचेट निकलता है या उसका जो ब्रू निकलता है उसको डाइल्यूट करके आप डाल दीजिए. Once in a while Epsom salt, and once in a while seaweed fertilizer. Seaweed comes in the form of a powder. Or वैसे I have not used it, but yes, I think many people have used liquid fertilizer, which Dr. Pant also he suggests and recommends. So that can also be done, but personally I have not tried it because I already have these 4-5 things and I find them good enough to give me a good growth and good produce. So now I'll just share some pictures which I can explain. So just give me a minute. I'm just going to share my screen. So here what you see is a female flower. Now how to identify the male and the female flowers? बहुत बारी हम लोग बोलते हैं कि मेरी छोटी छोटी छोटा छोटा करेला या छोटी छोटी घिया या छोटी छोटी तोरी होके झड़ गई, बढ़ी नहीं. That is actually not the fruit. That's actually the female flower. And the way to identify is here. अगर आप कर्सर देख रहे हैं तो ये छोटा सा जो पॉड फ्रूट टाइप बना हुआ है, ये फीमेल फ्लावर है. और जो मेल फ्लावर है, let me just go on to the next. This is the male flower. See, this does not have any pod. This is the trellis that I was talking about. ये सरकंडे लगा के बैम्बू इस तरह से भी आप बांध सकते हैं. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Yes.
So this is a very simple way that you can do it. इसमें आपको कोई माली या कोई हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं है, ये आप अपने आप भी कर सकते हैं. बैम्बू की डंडियां भी ला सकते हैं, मेटल की रॉड्स हैं वो भी कर सकते हैं, प्लास्टिक के पाइप है वो भी कर सकते हैं, और सरकंडे मिल जाए तो सबसे अच्छा है. This is a comparison that I have shown with a male and a female flower. So you can see this is a female flower, this is a male flower. This will not have any pod. So I'll just share a few more images. Wait. Okay, so this is my garden in summer. ये भरी गर्मी में लिया. अगर आप देख सकते हैं ये जो चेक चेक बना हुआ है बहुत पतली पतली तारों की, this is what is I call the net, support net it is called. ये देख रहे हैं आप फूल आ रही है, सारी बेलें लगी हुई है अलग अलग. So you can also plant here I planted a बैंगन और इसी में एक बेल भी लगी हुई है जो ऊपर जा रही है. So this is companion planting और नीचे मैंने leafy vegetables लगाई हुई है. So you get the, and if you can see, I can't zoom in right now. ये dried leaves हैं, सब mulch की हुई हैं. और ये सारे last year क्योंकि lockdown था, I didn't have seeds. तो मेरे पास जो जंगली सदाबहार निकल रही थी, मैं उन्हीं को लगाती जा रही थी. तो उनसे भी बहुत सारे फूल हो गए थे. This is again, here again I have the support net. Here again you have, and this is peak summer in June. So you can see how green it is. Of course, ऊपर मैंने white shade net लगाई है. That's another important thing that I want to share. White shade net is more conducive for vegetables than green shade net because it gives the vegetables a natural environment. जिस माहौल में सब्जियां खुले में उगती हैं, उसी तरीके का माहौल उसको मिल जाता है. ग्रीन लगाने से वो लाइट ब्लॉक भी हो जाती है और उनको वो नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट नहीं मिलता है. मैंने ये बास्केट्स लगा रखी है. If you can see lots of portulaca flowers here. And it's a flourishing garden in summer, peak summer. Here you can see the close-ups. Here the hanging baskets, the ghiya and the tori, and ये अरबी लगाई थी मैंने टब में, उसके पत्ते हैं बड़े-बड़े. I hope all of you can see. You can see the tori, the ghiyas hanging, and this is the chichanda hanging.
Very beautifully visible.
ये देखिए मैंने भुट्टा लगा रखा है. This is corn. I sowed it a little late, so I had already sowed my creepers separately. So then I put it in a place जहाँ से wall के सहारे था, so that you know they provide shade to my plants in front. So थोड़ा सा डायरेक्शन भी अगर आप स्टडी कर लेंगे कि किस तरफ धूप आती है, किस तरह से आप छाया प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, because corn is a very hardy plant. And here if you can see, this is all the corn coming. I don't have a close up of that. But enough baby corn that you can have, and these are just about 10 pots. और ये आप देख रहे हैं ये जो cans आते हैं, oil cans, jerry cans, उनको मैंने कटवा के बनाया हुआ है, तो ज्यादा डेप्थ भी नहीं है. And उसके बाद में भी this is flourishing and doing very well. So this is something which I wanted to share कि बहुत आराम से हो जाती है. You've seen it. I had a lot of failures for a lot of years, but I kept at it. I was very persistent, and finally I did manage to have success. And I'm very glad about it that I was so persistent. So don't give up. Keep at it. Seek help. When I started, there were no seeds available in Delhi. I ordered my first seeds online from a friend who was in Bangalore and one friend who was in Pune. And there were no composters available. So again, I ordered it online from Bangalore. Now, of course, a lot of help is available. Up to saplings bhi mil jati hai, not just seeds. So you can take them from anywhere. Good seeds. Dr. Pant seeds are very good. I've used those seeds as well. I've used seeds from Balaji Seeds, Kapaseda, from Achini, from Bhogal. All of them, I try and now grow desi varieties rather than hybrid. But for first timers, I will recommend growing from hybrid seeds. Why? Because hybrid का germination rate better रहता है. शुरू में आपको वो enthusiasm चाहिए, आपको वो success चाहिए, तो आपका effort कम होना चाहिए, so that it gives you a boost. It motivates you further. It should not dishearten you. So best is start with hybrid seeds, start small, build it up slowly, and then go on to desi varieties. Desi varieties का advantage ये है कि you can harvest your own seeds, save your own seeds for the next season. Ultimately, gardening has to be sustainable. What we talk about permaculture, permanent culture, sustainable garden. And watering का एक चीज और मैं आपसे share करना चाहूंगी. मेरी जो washing machine का water है वो मैं collect करती हूँ and I use it to water my garden. So I use a liquid detergent. You can use an eco-friendly one also. But अगर आप surf या कोई भी use कर रहे हैं, it does not harm your plants at all. In fact, if you see when we talk about pest control or we talk about fighting disease, we always recommend spraying them with soap water. So if you just put 2 and 2 together, you can use that water from your washing machine to water your plants. So since I have a big garden, I use it mainly to water my ornamentals. And sabzi wala aur upar hai, to utna pani main upar nahi le ja sakti. So and as it is, I need more water, so I use fresh water for that. But then recycle and reuse is a part of it, and everyone should do it. And of course, whenever you are buying plants, please look for friends and family to take them from rather than buying them from the nursery. Until unless they are very small, जैसे saplings हैं, आपको चाहिए तो वो आप ले लीजिए जरूर. वो भी कोशिश करिए कि किसी ने अगर घर में develop करी हैं. Because again, जो आपको shop पे मिलेगी, they have been reared in a very ideal environment, which you are not able to provide. That is why you have a high mortality rate. But if your friend has made them, then she would have made it in a climate or in a condition similar to that you have at your home. So the survival rate is definitely better. And they have not been fed with all that DAP or any artificial or synthetic fertilizers or chemicals, because all of us grow organically. But the shopkeeper does not do that. They will all add lots of artificial fertilizers and chemicals, which shorten the life of the plant. जब आप घर में लाते तो उतना success शायद ना मिले. Everyone's experience is different. Like we say that gardening is all about experimenting. There are no mistakes. So that's all from my side. If everyone has any questions, then I'll be very happy to take them.
Amita,
Yeah.
I'm Anita Falfer.
हाँ जी अनीता जी.
I'm Anita. How are you? मेरे को
good.
सबसे ज्यादा दिक्कत आती है तोरी में बहुत वो मकोड़े आ जाते काले वाले.
मकोड़े आपकी तोरी को कोई नुकसान नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं उसको तो नहीं करते, फिर नीचे घर में भी आ जाते भाई.
थोड़ी सी हल्दी छिड़क दीजिए उस गमले के आसपास.
अच्छा चलो, I'll try this time.
हाँ. एक और है कि we have to learn to accept certain pests.
हाँ. नहीं पर भैया किचन में आ जाते हैं.
हाँ. Pests are part of the ecosystem. हाँ. Yes, it is a nuisance. So that you'll have to find out. You can maybe change the placement, या फिर आप थोड़ी हल्दी डाल के देखिए. हल्दी पेस्ट को रिपेल करती है, खासकर मकोड़ों को और चींटियों को.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Amita ji. It was really very helpful.
Yes.
And especially saving the water.
Yes. We all need to
taught
save
a
water.
very nice thing. Yeah.
You can also collect the water that you use to wash your dals, rice, khatta dahi, and even your vegetables, and use that. Even the water that you use to mop the house. When you mop the house, it's basically dhul mitti. So that can very well go into your plants. Because summer is a very tough time, especially for all of us here in Delhi. So we need to save every drop of water and reuse it and recycle it.
Yes, thank you. That is really good.
So, any
Thanks,
questions?
Amita. Great session. Had a lovely time.
Thank
Wonderful.
you, Bela ji. You are one stalwart yourself. There is so much to learn from you.
Who's
Not at all. Not at all. We all learning from each other.
Yes.
जो लौकी लगाते हैं ना, when I like last year, वो छोटी छोटी लौकी होती है, लेकिन उसमें पता नहीं क्या कीड़ा लग, something happens and they die.
See, कीड़े आने का एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन होता है अगर आपकी सॉइल क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है या आपके सॉइल में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है तो
हाँ।
कीड़ा आता है.
अच्छा.
So you have to check how your soil is. And secondly, कीड़ा, generally I have not faced a pest problem, but yes, at times we do. Best is to just snipe off that fruit and throw it away. But if it is persistent, then you will have to look for a remedy
Okay.
for it.
Okay. Like.
See, prevention is always better than cure. So
Right.
best is ki at regular intervals, you should keep spraying something or the other on your plants. By regular, I mean once in 15 days. So you
Yeah.
can spray it with chili garlic spray, you can spray it with haldi water, you can spray it with neem water. जो भी
Okay.
organically, we've had that earlier also. Dr. Pant ने एक document भी share किया था, which is very good. Even खट्टा दही बहुत अच्छा रहता है. उसको पतला dilute करके आप spray करिए plants पे. It does wonders. It also works as a manure.
Yeah.
But spray in the evening. Don't spray in the morning because afternoons are going to be very hot and the plants may not be able to take that. But evenings when you spray at night, it cools down, it will not affect the plant adversely. So
Okay.
try and do prevention better than curing them.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can this Lysol, we are all using Lysol, many of us during COVID times, that Lysol mop water, is it at all advisable to put that in our plants?
Well, I would not
You've
really
not-
comment on that because I have not used it and I still don't
Okay.
use it. Nothing comes. I use bioenzymes. So I would recommend if you can start making bioenzymes and using them. They are
Yeah,
great for
I
your
have.
to keep them chemical free and they are great for your plants. And it cleans
Yeah.
up the water. So it's a good alternative. So I would recommend switch to bioenzyme rather than adding more of Lysol.
Lysol. Hmm.
Amita ji, what is the right time to sow ginger and haldi?
The ginger and haldi should be sown ideally when the temperatures rise, and March and April should be a good time right up to May, but not later than May. Because
And is it-
ginger and haldi takes about 7 months to be harvested. So bear in mind it will take time.
Acha, so I have to harvest it around December then if I sow it
See,
in.
you harvest it, yes, around November or December. So it depends if you've sown March, then you can harvest in November end or December.
Okay.
So, and the best rule is once the shoots start falling to the ground, they start drying out. That's the time that your ginger or your haldi is ready and you can pull it out.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
And Amita, you mentioned वो अजवाइन का पौधे में अजवाइन नहीं लगता, but I had अजवाइन in my अजवाइन का पौधा.
Don't be funny.
आपके सीड्स आए थे तो आप बहुत लकी है मोइनी जी. उसकी कटिंग हमें भी दे दीजिए.
अरे
हम सब
आप
उगा
इसे-
लेंगे.
मेरे
अच्छा
को तो आप
मुझसे
ही
ही ली थी.
हाँ।
मेरे पौधों में कभी फूल ही नहीं आ पाते. उससे पहले ही उसकी ट्रिमिंग हो जाती है या तो कटिंग और लग जाती है किसी ना किसी को देने के लिए या फिर घर में यूज हो जाती है. So that's a good thing that I've learned. Okay, I will wait for the flowers now and wait for the ajwain to come and share my experience with you.
Yes, absolutely.
Amita,
Yeah.
I really struggled, especially last year, with my, kaddu and lauki and tori, they just did not fruit. The plant was like flourishing. There were so many flowers. Some were female flowers and I could see the fruit, but they would eventually dry out. What might be the reason for that?
No pollination?
No, but there was fruit. But it would dry out, both lauki and kaddu. They just did not hold.
Was
There
it
were
the
so many-
fruit?
Sorry?
Was the fruit growing? I hope it was not the female flowers because sometimes the female flowers can be very big. It looks almost as a mini fruit, especially
Yeah,
for lauki.
the fruit grew a bit.
Razai andar lao. Razai.
Okay.
Do you mean that female flowers which have a kind of fruit,
Yes.
behind the flower,
Mhm.
that's not the fruit that grows?
No, it will
Oh.
grow eventually if it is pollinated. So that's what I mentioned. That's why I showed you the flowers. So this time when you plant, please have a look at it and try and manual pollinate it.
Yeah. Actually, my maid did that also, but it didn't work. They
Okay,
know, you know, the villages.
One thing that I would like to share here is कि आपके जो भी कद्दू लौकी लग रहे हैं ना, उनके leaves edible होते हैं और उनकी
Oh,
सब्जी
yeah, yeah.
भाजी बहुत अच्छी बनती है. So don't
बहुत
just eye the fruit. Please eye the flowers. Please eye the leaves and use them for
I
your
have
sags and sabzis.
Lots of
रजाई
kaddu,
लपेट के मेरे रूम में अभी रख दो.
you know, and Loki leaves, tendrils, stem. We
Yes.
we cook a lot of all that, and of course the flowers make very nice fritters. So
Oh yes.
yeah.
Amita ji, do you have any slides showing how to do hand pollination?
No, I don't have any slides, but it is something very simple. कुछ भी उसमें मुश्किल नहीं है. आप खाली या तो एक पेंट ब्रश ले लीजिए, उसका जहाँ पे भी पोलन होता है, just put your brush on that pollen and tap it lightly on the female flower. Or if you can very gently pluck the flower, the male flower, keep it straight and just invert it over the female flower and tap it lightly.
Okay. Thank you.
And then once you pluck the flowers, please don't throw them away. Use them in your sabzi.
All right.
Yeah, totally.
पकौड़े बहुत अच्छे बनते हैं फूलों के.
Wow.
अजवाइन के पत्ते और हर्ब्स मिला के पकौड़े बनाइए, पकौड़े खाइए.
Yeah.
My belief is anything that you grow in your garden organically, nothing should go waste. चाहे वो डंडी हो, चाहे वो पत्ते हो. Of course, roots नहीं सारे consume कर सकते, नहीं तो मैं तो roots भी ना छोड़ूं. इतनी मेहनत से उगाते हैं, so why not make use of it? Every part of it.
Absolutely.
Every bit of it.
Very nice. Very good lecture, Amita ji. Very nice.
Yeah, Amita. We've all enjoyed it.
I hope nobody went off to sleep or got bored.
No, not at all.
It's so interesting.
And you were so lively, you know, so we kept looking at you and your speed of giving that.
Actually, I wanted to share everything. I thought कि कुछ miss नहीं हो जाए. इसलिए थोड़ी सी.
And when have you, I mean, like you planted this, you said about this baby corn. When is the right season?
You can plant it right now, yes.
Yeah.
I planted mine last year in May after the lockdown opened.
But
because
do
I
you
didn't have
get
seeds.
the seeds from your own plant? The baby corn seeds?
Baby corn
No.
you don't get from
You're
your own
hybrid.
plant. Baby corn you have to, no, you get the desi also, but then you have to buy them until unless you're growing corn and saving your own seeds. You can't.
No, but that corn and this corn is a difference, isn't it? It's not the same corn. The baby corn is not the same.
It's not the same corn, but some varieties can give you the baby corn. But I have not ventured into it because I've always bought the seed packet for baby
that's
corn.
right.
Because the other corn I have not been
I
able
have
to
too
grow.
much heat in the summers and very less in winters. What I can grow during this period?
See, when you have a lot of heat in the summers, if you plant your plants densely and create an environment like you saw on my terrace, it's the uppermost floor, the topmost floor. तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि वहाँ कितनी धूप आती होगी. तो आप थोड़ा डेंसली प्लांट करिए, क्लोजली प्लांट करिए और उसको अगर इनक्लोज कर सकते हैं थोड़ा स्पेस को, खाली हवा की थोड़ी मूवमेंट रहे कि बहुत हीट अंदर बिल्डअप नहीं हो और ऊपर शेड नेट लगा दे तो you will be able to manage.
Which shade? You were talking about the white shade or
white shade net, not the green shade net. सब्जियों के लिए white shade net better रहती है क्योंकि उसमें वो वही environment उसको देती है जो खुले में fields में सब्जियों को या पौधों को मिलता है.
Yeah, get sample light.
So it gives ample light. So this white shade, my experience with white shade net has been better. Till the time I was putting green shade net, I was not even getting sufficient flowering in these summer plants. So that's when I sought help and I found it and somebody recommended, no, you put white shade net, it will be much better. And yes, I did notice there was a marked difference in white shade net.
Sure. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Amita ji, ये क्या बोल रहे
It
थे?
was a
घिया
very
के
well planned and very nice session.
घिया के जो पत्ते हैं वो भी आप पकौड़ों में यूज कर सकते हैं क्या? सब्जी
पकौड़े में, सब्जी में
घिया के पत्ते भी.
हाँ, घिया के पत्ते भी. तोरी के पत्ते थोड़े से बिटर होते हैं बट घिया के पत्तों की बहुत अच्छी बनती है and try and pluck them a little tender.
अच्छा. So use them for pakoda, you mean to say?
हाँ, you use them for pakoda.
जैसे मेथी का
पालक
बनाते हैं.
साग और मेथी साग और आलू साग, anything.
Okay, thank you.
And समर में एक और चीज है आपके पौधों में गमलों में weeds बहुत आते हैं. those weeds are actually very tasty and very nourishing.
Oh, wow.
So maybe sometime later, if I start getting the pictures, I will post on the group. Then they can be cooked very well, made into chutneys, made into saag, the
Sure.
jungli bathua, the jungli potulaka or purslane. That tastes very
पोटुलका के
good.
भी जो फ्लावर
वो तो
पोटुलका
बहुत खट्टा होता
थोड़ा
है, बहुत यम्मी होता है।
अजीब होता है।
Not the cultivated potulaka, the jungli potulaka, जो कुल्फा साग से मिलती जुलती होती, खट्टी खट्टी उसकी पत्तियां होती है, उसकी चटनी
हाँ,
देती है, बड़ी
Not
फ्रेश सी
yellow
लीफ
flower
होती
or pink flower?
है.
It is got yellow flower or pink?
येलो
Yellow flowers mostly,
yellow.
small yellow flowers.
हाँ, they are little खट्टे खट्टे होते हैं.
हाँ, थोड़े
Does it
खट्टे
mean
होते हैं.
it's a ground creeper? Is it a ground
Not
creeper?
really a creeper, but it spreads.
I hope
on
you're
the
not
ground.
getting mixed
Acha,
up
please,
by
aap,
the oxalis.
No, not oxalis. Oxalis again, the wild
वो भी
oxalis
खट्टी
is
पत्ती
very
बोल रहे हो
good.
ना, so they may just think it's oxalis.
So whenever I get my pictures, whenever the weeds start coming out, oxalis is different. Oxalis की clover जैसी 3 या 4 पत्तियां होती है, वो भी खट्टा हल्का होता है. It's called wood sorrel. That also grows wild in your pots, and that is great for chutneys and sags. And it's slightly sour, so it's very tasty. So you can
Oh,
cook
please
that
do
also.
share the pictures because हम तो पहचानते ही नहीं कि कौन सा वीड किस लिए है और उसका नाम क्या है.
So अभी निकलने दीजिए, अब गर्मी आ रही है, तो ये सब weeds अपने आप निकलेंगी. So I call them nourishing greens.
निकले हुए हैं जो वो
And-
कौन सा? Already निकले
भी बड़ी टेस्टी होती है।
ऑलरेडी हो सकता है निकले हुए हो, बट मेरे गमलों में अभी नहीं है, तो मैं पिक्चर शेयर नहीं कर सकती. As and when I get them, I will share the pictures.
एक
All right.
पर्पल फ्लावर, बिग लीव्स एंड पर्पल फ्लावर्स का है वीड.
That is
छोटे
oxalis.
पत्ते, 3 पत्तों
That
का
is-
सेट होता
That is wood sorrel.
Wood sorrel.
Can we eat that?
Yes, you can eat that. और एक और आता है पुनर्नवा, which is also very good. So once they start coming out, I will share the pictures. So please do-
पुनर्नवा जब आपका आए तो हमको फॉरवर्ड
ठीक है।
करिएगा.
जरूर
ठीक है.
जरूर.
It was a very well planned session.
Thank you.
Yeah,
you.
great
Thank
job,
you.
Amita. Thank you so much. And please remember to remind our members when to sow when. You know, when you're getting ready, give us a little
Yes.
notice
So I'm
so that
almost-
we can also
almost
start at the
ready.
same time and then share their
ठीक है.
views, you know, how their vegetables have come.
Okay, sure, I'll do that.
Thanks so
I'm
much.
all-
Everyone will be grateful to you and they'll be so excited. Some may get disappointed if they've not followed the rules. So, but
Right.
as I feel, you know, the more mistakes you make, the better you learn and, you know, rectify your
Absolutely.
mistakes. And
I agree with you completely. Failure will only get you better results.
yeah, that's what, you know, so you know, you'll remember then.
Yes.
Amita ji, tell me something. How to keep the cats away from your plants?
That's a difficult one. Stop them from coming on the terrace. मेरे यहाँ भी बिल्लियाँ बहुत आती हैं, तो मैंने छत का दरवाजा बंद रखना शुरू कर दिया, तो थोड़ी deter तो हो गई है, but you really can't keep them away. It's difficult.
You can't, I know, और वो घुस जाती पॉट के अंदर ही घुस के, you know, they go and spoil everything.
और घर की बिल्लियों को मत भगाना।
ये भाई घर की है, किसी पे कुछ कह नहीं सकते ना.
I know.
Thank you so much, Amita ji. Lovely, very nice, very good lecture.
Thank you
good.
everyone for being such a wonderful
Amita,
audience.
I
It was a
hope
pleasure.
अमिता जी अपने
Thank you
गार्डन
so
की
much.
अपना एड्रेस भेज देना.
We weren't good audience. You drew us to your lecture.
Thank you. That's such a huge compliment coming from you. It means a
No,
lot.
I'm zero in vegetable. Like I said, I have monkey menace, so I thought dare not, you know, grow anything. That's why I said you better send tips to all our members so that
Okay.
you become the guru.
Sure. Sure.
Yes, it's a very good this thing lecture.
Right.
अपना
Thank-
एड्रेस
thank
भेज दीजिएगा so that we can see
अच्छा,
your
ठीक है.
garden and can see your
अभी
number.
तो ट्रांजिशन फेज है. अभी तो आपको बहुत डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होगी बिकॉज सडनली द वेदर हैज हीटेड अप, सो विंटर वेजिटेबल्स आर ऑन द वे आउट. तो आधे गमले पलटे हुए हैं, मिट्टी धूप लग रही है, और आधे गमले अभी भी थोड़े ग्रीन है, तो अभी तो काफी मिजरेबल स्टेट में है. बट हाँ, maybe a couple of months down the line it should be green again. I'm hoping so. I'll keep my fingers crossed.
Send your number.
I will. वैसे आप नोट कर सकते हैं S247 फर्स्ट फ्लोर ग्रेटर कैलाश
247.
Yes.
Okay. GK 1, 2.
GK2.
Okay. Thanks.
Here,
thanks,
this
Anita.
unit is only GK2, Alaknanda, CR Park, and Masjid Mode, Kalkaji.
Yes.
GK1, they have their separate unit, which is 7A.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Amita, and thanks everyone for joining us.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Lovely session.
Yes,
Lovely
a beautiful, knowledgeable
Knowledge.
session.
Yes,
Nandita,
that's
Thank you.
this garden of
Thank
5
you.
going on. Is it good?
I haven't
Even on the
been there.
first day, it was very nice,
No.
but you have to go, I think, on a weekend. Maybe then they'll have more people, But if
Okay.
you want to avoid the rush, you can go on the weekday. They are on till 13th of March.
All right. Yeah. Okay. You recommend weekends?
I
No,
should
weekday.
think, there'll be more people, but I don't know whether it'll be too much of crowd. So if you
Yeah.
want to avoid the crowd, you can go, But of course, the Kalimpong people haven't come. So there
they
are
have-
not very many stalls, but if you're wanting seasonals or seedlings and things like that, they're there.
All
Sorry,
right.
where is this? Which one are you talking about? Nandita?
This
Garden
Garden of Five Senses,
Oh, Garden of Five
a
Senses.
garden tourism festival.
Yeah.
Right, thank you.
सीड्स वगैरह का कुछ भी नहीं है, पर पता नहीं आ भी जाए.
रौनक चला गया.
हाँ, yeah. था ही नहीं. मैं वही सैपलिंग लाने गई थी, मैंने कहा आज लेके आती हूँ. But he was not
फोन नंबर लेके पूछ लो कि वीकेंड में आएंगे या क्या.
उर्मिल, खाद वाला था कोई?
खाद वाला was there. दो
खाद
हैं
वा-
बल्कि खाद वाले, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आई थिंक दे आर गिविंग खाद, तो सबके पास होता है वो छोटे छोटे पैकेट.
Acha.
Are they good? Because I am planting the pots.
हाँ, वो अच्छा है.
खाद आपको you
How
should
does
buy
that
from
work?
Gulmore Park, our office. They are giving very good खाद.
Acha.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I get
Please
patti
remember the
खाद.
timing is from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock
हाँ.
Yes.
on weekdays, Monday to Friday. And we'll
From Gulmohar Park.
Past 3 years I've been getting it from there only.
Okay. Are they in Bora or small packets?
No, they're in packets. 50 rupees a packet for gobar खाद and patti खाद each. Very, very nice.
Okay. I will try to go there.
Deepati is also 50.
तो गई होगी maybe.
No, but I to buy.
Chalo, can we stop the recording now, Urmila?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
And you can post us the